Hello everyone, it's Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you through a fun walking workout. No jumping, gentle on the joints, all low impact. We're taking our cues from the beat of the music, so it's going to be perfect for your memory and boosting your mood. If you like this workout, remember to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. And also share with a friend. So here we are, we're starting off with a march on the spot just to warm up as we get our bodies ready for movement. So some things to remember with our walk is that we always want to keep our core engaged, shoulders down and back, nice steady walk. So this is your go-to movement at any point in time. If there's any move that seems challenging or you just want to take a break, just go back to your walk. From here we're going to take it forward and step to the side. 1, 2, back, 1, 2, let's go. Keep that pace. Leg out to the side, alternating. Now hold it here when it's step touch. Shoulder roll, single shoulder roll. Now double, big shoulder rolls. Take it into some big nice circles and hold it here. Add heel digs. Heel digs alternating from side to side. That's our step touch. Let's go. Keep that energy high. Let's take it forward, step out to the side. 1, 2, let's go. Back. 1, 2, add up, forward. And 1, 2, you've got it, nice. Shoulder rolls, single. Let's start with those single shoulder rolls first. And take it into double shoulder rolls. Nice big rolls. And step touch. And add some hamstring curls. Here we go. Travel those hamstring curls forward and take it back. Up, forward. Moving on to our next track. Nice and steady with that walk. Now let's get ready to take it into a step touch, traveling forward, 2, 3, 4, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Now let's hold it here. Gonna go grapevine. 1, 2, 3 knee lifts, grapevine. 1, 2, 3 knee lifts. Keep going. These moves become easier after you do it a number of times, and your mind will adjust so you think less to perform each move. Great. Hold it here. Nice steady walk. Now hold it here. We're going to walk forward, pumping those arms to the front and overhead as we go back. Let's go. Nice strong arms. Now we're going to start over with our traveling step touches. 3, 4, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. What comes next? Grapevine. Yes. 2, 3. Grapevine. 3D lifts. 2, 3. Awesome. Let's hold it here. Walk. There we go. Forward. Do you remember this move? Yes. Forward. Pumping those arms. And back. Arms overhead. Awesome job. So in our next track, we're going to really be focusing on the arms and shoulders. Let's start with some single bicep curls. Adding that toe tap. Let's double it up. Double bicep curls. Creating your own resistance. Keeping those arms nice and strong. Keep that core engaged. Now we're going into those triceps. Squeeze those triceps as you extend. And let's just stay here. Extend those feet to the back, behind you, squeezing through the glutes as well. Great. Open the chest, open the arms. Overhead. Now we're getting the shoulders, we're getting the back muscles. Nice. Hold it here. And we're going to go back to our single bicep curls. Can you guess what comes next? Yes, those double bicep curls. Triceps. And what comes next? Yes, those chest openers. We got lateral travel. 1, 2, 1, 2. Squeeze those chest muscles. Awesome. Overhead. Let's go. Nice. Great job. And let's take it back to that walk. Rolling the shoulders out.
I found a perfect girl. She's from another world. She puts a smile on my face and takes me to outer space.
Hold it here. Get ready for a next move. Tap those toes. Nice strong arms in front. Next, we're going to take it into a fun disco move. Legs behind. Coordinating with those arms. Let's take it forward. Heel dig. Perfect. And let's rock front and back. And we are so close to the end. You did an amazing job. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Remember to cool down. I've linked a cool down that you can use to stretch out any tight muscles. If you like this workout, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Have an amazing day. Bye.